back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Yeezy Boost 700s in the analog colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about some Yeezy Boost 700 analogs. This was another one of my pickups for Yeezy Day that I'm so excited that I have in hand. I wanted these when they originally released back in April 2019. So this was pretty exciting to see these actually re-released on Yeezy Day, and I'm just so happy that this was one of my pickups. So we're going to go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really cool classic colorway. Then we will talk about how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. I have to say that I think this honestly is one of my favorite color schemes for the 700s, just because this almost reminds me of my sea salt color scheme, which has kind of been like my go-to colorway. And so I'm really excited to have a similar kind of color scheme to add to my collection since I am wearing those out. This has a nice, just kind of simple gray hue. It's almost like a light heather gray on the front of the suede here on the front of the toe box. As we work our way to the meshing, it is in a nice, just crisp, clean white colorway. We've got nice, just kind of off-white laces and a nice white mesh for the tongue here. As we work our way to the eyelets, I love the fact that it has this nice tumbled cream color scheme, but I do think that the light, just simplistic hues of gray, cream, and white really just blend so nicely together. So let's take a look at those details and move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, more of that white meshing and that nice, just light heather gray suede. As we work our way to the back, we do get more of this kind of beige color tone on the suede paneling, and then more of that heather gray on the back of the heel. We've got the meshing that works its way to the back of the collar, and then the interior is in a nice white and cream color scheme. Wrapping around to the lateral side, we do have this nice metallic silver here, and then some beige wrapping around that in suede textures, and then that light heather gray texture in suede as well on the other side paneling. As we work our way to the side here, you'll see that we do kind of have some three stripes popping through in this cream tone underneath that white meshing. And then we've got nice cream color schemes and that off-white mixed with white on the inside here. And then the sneaker is completed with that black and cream for the bottom, and you can see that full length boost as well. Let's take a look at those details and then talk about size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, for the 700s, I typically go half a size up. I do recommend going at least half a size up on these just because I do like to have a little bit of extra room. So if you're someone like myself that likes to have some space in the toe box region and you like to wear thicker socks, definitely take that into consideration when you're deciding on what size will work best for you. Again, if you do have flatter, wider feet, it may differentiate a completely different size range just because I do have high arch, narrow feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I think this is literally the sneaker that is going to be one of my go-tos all year round. This is just such a simplistic colorway. It really just has nice monochromatic neutral tones that really can vibe and work with anything that you may own currently. So for the first look, I decided to bring some color into the mixture since we are still in the summer here in New York. I decided to wear this purple bustier with some matching skirt in purple as well. I think that purple and just nice pretty colors really work nicely with this clean color scheme that you see on the analogs. Second look, I decided to keep it pretty monochromatic and I went with a cream jumpsuit. So definitely that was in a denim pattern or denim material. So I think cream colorways, white colorways will also just work quite nicely with this color scheme.
Thinking about you made me lose my mind. I'm so crazy, baby, you're divine. Dreaming, scheming, need you by my side. Every waking moment of my life. You got what I need. I'm thinking that there's no cool in this heat. Can't explain it all, good love, it just feels right. Oh baby, maybe you know what I mean.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to bring more pops of color into the mix, and I decided to wear a tight midi dress in a pop of green. I think that since this is such a simplistic shoe, you really can just wear patterns, they're crazy, and go all out with different bold colorways as well.
I'll take you higher than you've ever been till you're floating. Just taking a swim through the fire. The night will begin when we're golden, golden. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. You got what I need, I need you. I think I there's no cool in this heat. You know your body needs me too. Love it just feels right. Oh baby, baby, you know what I mean.
So you let me know down below, is your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Like you've been using me for target practice. You drew black out in the bullseye. Repeat shots in the firelight. Feels like you've been using me for target practice. Call me sensitive when I cry, but you don't miss a single time. Feels like you've been using me. You say that I'm mistaken about all the shots you've taken. All the pain was a mess. Somehow they're blanks as you claim, getting desperate now. Cause I found out. Oh, yeah. Oh, feels like you've been using me for target practice. You drew a block out of the bullseye. Repeat shots in the firelight. Feels like you've been using me for target practice. Call me sensitive when I cry, but you don't miss a single time.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So there was a lot of trash talking, I feel like, on Yeezy Day for the analogs, and I honestly have to completely disagree with people really trash talking on these. I think that this is an amazing color scheme, and I think that once people see you wearing these and rocking these out, they're gonna want to snag a pair of these, just because this is literally such a great monochromatic colorway. This is something that you don't often see in the 700 series. You see lots of bright, bold colorways, and I feel like this is something that is just super essential and necessary when it comes to just having something that's going to go with everything and anything in your closet. Right now, these did retail at $300, and they're actually going below retail at $260 to $300, but I honestly would not be surprised if this price point on the resale end actually pops back up, just because this is really just a great color scheme, and I feel like a lot of people are really going to be able to wear this color with whatever they own. So that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you so much, everyone who tuned in, and congratulations to anybody who copped these on Yeezy Day. I do think that this was quite a winner. If you joined us for the very first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below, and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.